is the ability to undo and redo changes made to components on pages in design mode. So I'm in design mode here. If I make a change, say to the position of this component, and I go to the Design Tools tab, I'll see the undo right here. And if I drop the list down, it shows me what change you're going to undo. So if I just hit the undo, it will move the component back to where it came from. This applies to all property changes. So if I were to change a property like that, you can see in the list here that it says that we changed the button text from the run button to hello, and I can go ahead and undo that. Now, if I have a lot of changes, say I just move some things around, you'll see that that list starts to grow, all right? And I can select how many changes I want to undo or redo. So I can undo all those moves, but I can also come in and redo those moves. And I can select how many I want to do. Now when I make a new change, then the redo list is going to get removed because there's nothing to redo, and just the last couple of changes show up. Also, you'll notice if I come in here and I make a few changes, the undo shows the changes, but if I were to go to another page, I don't have any undo or redo in here. That's because the undo and redo are based on a per page, the changes on a page. So if I make a change in here, now the undo is here, and let's say I were to change the parameter name, you'll see in our undo list we have the parameter name change and the component move. And if I go back to page 1, my list is now back to the list for page 1.